Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send Slack notification for received crisp call SMS. So here my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new SMS on my crisp call registered number, then I want to send a Slack channel message to my team. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be crisp call and my action application will be Slack. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send Slack notification for received crisp call SMS. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with crisp call, so I want to send that same exact message on my Slack channel. So over here, this is the Slack channel that I've created and I've added my team members in this channel. My objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new message through crisp call, then automatically that message should be sent on my Slack channel. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in, but if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send Slack notification for received crisp call SMS. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as crisp call to Slack automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now in order to automate this entire process, I will go to my trigger window, and firstly, I'm going to search for crisp call as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new SMS. So this trigger will start working whenever a new SMS will arrive in the user workspace. So now moving to this action window, as I want to send a channel message to my team on Slack. So Slack will be my action application and the action event will be to send channel message. So here you can see that as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now moving ahead, firstly I need to build a connection between crisp call and Pabbly Connect in order to build a connection. So to do that, I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key and the secret key. So for this, I'm going to take you to my crisp call account. So this here is my dashboard. So now in order to get the keys, I will go to settings, and here under settings, I will go to developer. So this here is the API key and the secret key. So I'm simply going to copy both of these keys and paste in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that crisp call and Pabbly Connect is connected. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So here, in order to get the response, I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see it is waiting for response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the response could be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this here is the SMS that I'm going to send. It goes as, hello, I'm demo user. I would like to know more about your digital marketing services, and I would appreciate if you can send a brochure to me on this given email ID, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. Hoping to hear from you soon. So this here is the SMS that I've framed, and now I'm going to send this SMS. So here in crisp call, you can see that I have received the SMS, and over here you can see the SMS details. So that means I've successfully received an SMS and the details of this SMS would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received a response. So this over here is the to number, that is my number where I've got the message. Over here is the ID, and this here is the from number, like where the message has been sent.
Scrolling down over here, you can see the message content. So that means here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the received crisp call SMS details in the response. So we have successfully set up the first step of this automation. Now, whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS or MMS through crisp call, then automatically the details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the SMS details, so now I want to send a channel message to my team on Slack. That means I want to give them a notification that we have received a new SMS through Crisp Call. So to do that, I'm going to build a connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to add a new connection and I'm going to click on Connect with Slack. I've already opened my Slack channel in one of the tabs. And now here I'm going to give the token type as bot and click on Save. So over here, it is asking for the permission to the workspace. I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access and the authorization was successful. So now moving to the channel part. So this here is the channel that I've created by the name of new queries channel. So I'm going to use this channel, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the channel as new queries channel. So I'm just going to search it. Here it is. Now moving to the message. Now I need to frame the message that I want to send in the channel. So I'm going to do that. So this here's the message that I've framed. It goes as, hello team, we have received a new inquiry and here are the details. Inquirer phone number. So over here to mention the phone number of the inquirer, we are going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Crisp Call, so over here from the response received, I'm going to map the number of the person who has sent the inquiry. So now after mentioning the inquirer phone number, I also want to mention what is sent in the message. So again over here, I'm going to map those details and I'm just going to give a space and it ends with resolve this query as soon as possible. So this here's the message that I've framed. So now if you want to add any image URL or all text, you can do that. But as of now, I'm going to leave these fields blank. And you can notice that in these fields, I've mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we mapped the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means a channel message has been successfully sent to Slack. So I'm going to show you the message as well. So over here you can see that this here's the message. Here you can see the inquirer phone number. Here you can see the name of the person who has inquired and this here is the email address. So that means over here in my Slack channel, I have successfully sent the message that I've received through Crisp Call. So this automation was a successful one. Now, whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS through Crisp Call, then automatically it will be sent to my Slack channel as a channel message. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.